Hi, this is our math assignment on arc length. This is the general graph, y equals to fx, this is the line, we call it L, and y1 dotted line, s1 dotted line, and x1 which is on the x-axis. The limit is from a to b on the x-axis, d to c on the y-axis. So the general formula for to find the arc length is this. Why? So let's find out how we actually get to this part. So to find L, we can estimate by finding S1, which is this dotted line. To find it, we use the Pythagoras theorem. S1 square equals to x1 square plus y1 square. So this is a very rough estimation. So to find a more accurate value of L, we divide it into very small parts and add them up together, which is to find a more accurate value of L, we can calculate by summing up all the smaller value of S using smaller interval of x and y, which is this formula. S1 add S2 all together like equals to integrate ds. So how do we find this? Using the formula from here, we derive this. ds square equals to dx square plus dy square. So we do our math stuff from here. You divide the whole thing by x square, you get this 1 plus dy square plus over dx square. Then you square root the whole thing. You take out the square root, then square root here. Get this. Then you basically take the dx over to here. You get this, and integrate the whole thing. You get integrate ds, which is the length. It will be the same for ds square. If you divide the whole thing by dy square, you divide the whole thing by dy square like this, which is the same step from here. You get pretty much the same formula, just that dx over dy, and the limit is on the y-axis, c to d. Yep, that's the formula. This is example 1. We use an easier one. X squared plus y squared equals to 1. So it's a circle. Radius is 1. So normally you find the circumference is 2 pi r. So the circumference of this is 2 pi. And from the formula x squared plus y squared, you make y become on one side and x on the other side, you get this. Plus minus square root 1 minus x squared. So let's take the positive side, from this side only, which is y equals to square root 1 minus x squared. So the dy dx is this, which is simplify it is minus x over 1 minus x squared half to the power half, which is square root. You square the dy by dx, you get x squared minus over 1 minus x squared. So the arc length of the whole thing, of the whole circle, would be 2 integrate 1 plus dy by dx squared, which is this. Combine the above part and the lower part. So to simplify this from here, 1 plus x squared over 1 minus x squared, you combine them together. Then you minus this one, cancel out, you get this. So coming back to here, from here you get this based on that. And this is pretty much the same as this one, which is this. The formula is equals to arc sine x over a plus c. So here we integrate this, we get arc sine x. We substitute in the values, you get 2 pi half pi plus 2 half pi, which is equals to 2 pi. There it is. Second example, x equals to y to the power 3 over 3 plus 1 over 4x, 4y, I'm sorry. From the limit is y equals to 1 to y equals to 3. This is the general formula, dx over dy. So dx over dy equals to y squared plus negative 1 over 4y squared, which is y squared minus 1 over 4y squared. You square the whole thing. This is the general, easy peasy stuff. You get this. Y to the power power 4 minus half plus 1 over 16y to the power 4. So we substitute it into the general formula, you get this. Limit 1 to 3, 1 plus dx by dy square. So let's come to this. Let's solve this thing, which is this minus, you get minus 1 minus half, you get plus half. So y to the power 4 plus half plus 1 over 16 to the power 4, which is like this. Then you get this, y squared plus 1 over 4y squared, whole thing square, same. So let's come back to this. From here you get here, take out the square root, you get here, integrate this thing, y to the power 3 over 3 minus 1 over 4y, limit 3, 1. Then you expand it out, 27 over 3 minus 1 over 12 minus 1 over 3 plus a quarter, which is this and this. This is the final answer. That's all.